In the vast and intricate world of consumer products, few narratives are as surreal, complex, and captivating as the extraordinary story of PepsiCo and its fleeting possession of what turned out to be the sixth largest military force on the planet. This remarkable chapter reveals how a soft drink company unexpectedly found itself intricately intertwined with military power during a period marked by significant global tensions, the Cold War. The saga began in the early 1970s when Soviet leader Leonid Brezhnev extended a formal invitation to American consumer goods companies, seeing an opportunity for economic collaboration. At that time, the Soviet Union was keen on cautiously opening up to the West for trade, albeit in a highly controlled manner that reflected the prevailing political climate. Under the bold and innovative leadership of then CEO Donald Kendall, PepsiCo recognized an unprecedented opportunity in this situation. It was a daring chance to sell its iconic products behind the Iron Curtain, thereby establishing itself as the first American brand to penetrate the Eastern Bloc, a remarkable feat in a heavily regulated ecosystem that many thought impossible. However, what truly set this partnership apart and elevated it into the realm of the extraordinary was how it eventually led to Pepsi acquiring significant military assets. The Soviet Union, grappling with profound economic difficulties, found itself with numerous decommissioned naval vessels, ranging from cargo ships to warships, left idle and available for sale in a curious twist of fate. In an unexpectedly bold move, the Soviet government offered these naval vessels to PepsiCo as part of a unique barter arrangement. Imagine the astonishment and disbelief at PepsiCo's corporate headquarters as the company assessed the monumental value of what was being proposed, the staggering fleet of naval vessels, collectively valued at hundreds of millions of dollars. This surreal transformation not only placed Pepsi in a unique position within the geopolitical sphere, but also raised fundamental questions about the intricate intersection of commerce, governance, and national sovereignty. The idea that a consumer-driven beverage company could wield such substantial military resources was unprecedented, and it set forth a cascade of debates surrounding corporate ethics and the responsibilities that accompany power in both the business and political arenas. As the late 1980s approached, Pepsi's once celebrated military connection began to incite wary reactions and growing unease among stakeholders. There was an increasing public apprehension regarding the ethical implications of a soft drink company possessing significant military hardware during a time when nations were working earnestly toward de-escalation and diplomatic efforts. Amid a shifting geopolitical landscape, the Soviet Union faced immense internal crises that would eventually lead to its dramatic collapse, reshaping the world order as we knew it. As the need for military assets waned in the wake of globalization and increased cooperation between countries, PepsiCo found itself compelled to evaluate the broader implications of its earlier partnership with the Soviet government. The narrative surrounding Pepsi's military fleet became a fascinating and enduring discussion point among historians, business leaders, and students of political science. It served not only as a captivating case study illuminating the unpredictable interplay between commerce, politics, and military power, but also as a cautionary tale emphasizing how blending business ambition with geopolitical interests can lead to far-reaching and often unexpected consequences in a complicated world that is continually evolving. Pepsi's military connection serves as a striking example of the complexities of corporate governance in a rapidly changing world. This remarkable chapter in corporate history highlights crucial lessons about corporate responsibility, ethical considerations, and the intricacies of modern capitalism. What began as a bold venture to penetrate foreign markets became a compelling narrative about corporate ethics amid global politics. Pepsi's brief military association underscores how corporations can unexpectedly transcend traditional boundaries, inviting both fascination and scrutiny. As the corporate landscape continues to evolve, the challenge of balancing ambition with responsibility remains critical, reminding us that the intersections of commerce, power, and ethics are ever shifting in our interconnected world. This unique partnership continues to spark debate and curiosity, ensuring its relevance for researchers and scholars exploring contemporary corporate dynamics.